If hot drinks or ice cream make you wince, your best bet is a sensitive toothpaste, and you can back this up with a sensitive mouthwash too. Listerine's Total Care Sensitive Mouthwash targets the multiple causes of sensitivity and builds protection against that sudden, sharp sensitivity in your teeth. At the same time, it works to reduce plaque-causing bacteria and germs to maintain healthy teeth and gums for longer, just like a non-sensitive mouthwash. While it contains tooth-strengthening fluoride, it's alcohol-free so it won't irritate sensitive teeth, and it has a strong enough flavor of your mouth tasting clean, without causing pain or discomfort. Brightest H might once have been synonymous with bad teeth, but most of us know that brushing twice a day is a good thing, and so is regularly using the best mouthwash for you. It protects our teeth from decay, keeps our mouths clean and healthy, fights off gum disease and freshens up our breath. The less well-behaved among us may also try to use it to cover up the fact they've been smoking or boozing over lunchtime, though nobody is fooled. Mouthwashes all have a few things in common. They're all designed to inhibit the buildup of plaque, and they generally have a strong-tasting, strong-smelling mint flavor that's designed to freshen up your breath. The key ingredient, as with toothpaste, is fluoride. This protects the teeth from the acid erosion that occurs when plaque bacteria meet sugars in the mouth, by reducing the production of acid. It can also strengthen or repair any lost enamel. Most high-quality mouthwashes will have a fluoride level of 200 to 250 ppm. Some mouthwashes include additional active antibacterial or antiseptic agents, including cetylpyridium chloride and sodium bicarbonate, germicides such as triclosan, along with sodium chloride, which can loosen debris between the teeth and freshen breath.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.